Is your jeans too tight from thigh to ankle? Let's fix it perfectly, fast and easy. Today, I'm widening this jean from the thigh, all the way down to the hem. No more uncomfortable tight legs, just smooth, comfortable, stylish shape. First, I open the side seams carefully. This gives us room to work without damaging the denim. Now I measure how much extra width the client needs. A perfect fit begins with precise measurements. Time to cut the expansion panels. These will add clean, invisible width to the thighs and legs. I matched the denim color to keep everything natural. No one can tell it was ever altered. Now I insert the panels and stitch them with a strong seam. Durable, flexible, and super comfortable. Let's move down to the knee and ankle area. This is where the leg usually feels tightest. The key is keeping both sides perfectly symmetrical. That's what makes the final look flawless. Stitching the inner seam smoothly. No wrinkles, no tension, just clean lines. Now I reinforce the lower leg area, because tight jeans usually stretch here the most. Time for a clean hem finish. Sharp, strong, and perfectly aligned. A quick press with the iron makes everything look brand new. And now look at this transformation. Smooth, comfortable, and stylish from top to bottom. Before, tight, uncomfortable, impossible to wear. After, perfect fit, perfect confidence. If you have tight jeans like this, don't throw them away, fix them. I post new sewing hacks every week.
Hit like, subscribe,
and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next transformation. Tell me in the comments, what denim problem should I fix next? See you in the next video.